In this brief demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can take an object that was drawn in merge mode and convert it to object mode, and I'll also show you how you can take it from object mode to merge mode. So what I think I'll do is I'll just draw a couple of objects very quickly here. Maybe I'll just actually use my oval tool, and we'll just give this a little bit of distinction here. Red fill with a black stroke, and make sure, this time I'll do it in merge mode, so I'll make sure object is turned off. And I'll just draw a big circle over here. Then I'll take a circle and draw it in object mode. So I'll click that on this time, and I'll just distinguish it with a different color. And we'll just draw it directly below here, a bit smaller. Okay, so if I go with my selection tool, if I click on here, you can see by the pattern of dots that it's a raw vector shape in merge mode, as opposed to this one when I highlight it. It's a little hard to distinguish, but there is basically an outline with some anchor points. And that tells me that this is in object mode. So again, let's convert these to the opposite, if you will. So I'll double click on the one in merge mode to select the fill and the stroke. And it's not actually intuitive, but it is easy. We go up to Modify, Combine Objects, Union. And lo and behold, it is now in object mode. And I can see it here if I was to zoom up. You can see the anchor points and the outline. Let me just fit that in my window here. There we go. Now let's take the object drawing mode and do the opposite. And that one is just as easy. You highlight it. Once again, you go up to Modify. And the command for this is Break Apart. Boom. And again, if I zoom up on here, you can see that it is now in merge drawing mode. So that's the simple story on how to convert from one mode to the other. Just one quick thing I'm going to show you as well that relates to the object mode. If I highlight the object drawing mode here, if I wanted to get into the merge mode aspect of it without converting it, I would just simply have to double click it. And if you look up here in my navigation, it's sort of like the drawing object is nested, if you will. If I highlight it now, it does respond like it's in merge mode. So it's almost like it's nested inside of the object, if you will. So we can go back here by clicking scene 1, or I could have clicked the arrow back. So again, converting merge mode to object mode. And that's how you do that.